Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can send a photo or a video on WhatsApp and for it to be viewed only the once. So if we were to go to camera on this phone here and take a picture of my hands, or you could take a video, then if we hit this little icon here that has a 1 next to it, it will set it to be viewed only once. Now when we send it to this phone, it looks a bit different. It doesn't come up with the photo here, and here, it hasn't come up with the photo itself. You have to click on the photo and you can now see it. Good news is it can't be screenshot. It says can't take screenshot due to security policy. But remember, it's not foolproof because somebody could just take a picture of it on another phone. So be careful what you're sending. But it's still good that it can't be screenshot. Now, if I come out of that, it says opened and I can't go back into it again. You can do this with videos as well, and you don't have to just do it via the camera in WhatsApp. You can go into your gallery and take photos and videos from there as well. It doesn't work when you do this here or when you're doing the video from here as well. It doesn't work, but it works when you do it via your camera or the gallery. Thanks for watching.